Hey, if you love working with customers and building long-term relationships, this may be your favorite part of the 2026 LifeWave Compensation Plan 2.0. Before we dive in, though, a quick income disclaimer. LifeWave brand partners' earnings vary and are based on individual effort, customer volume, and consistency. There is no guarantee of income, and this video is for educational purposes only. So if you find this content helpful, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe for more LifeWave education and business updates. So today I want to talk to you about one of my very favorite updates in regards to the LifeWave Compensation Plan 2.0, and that is called customer premiums. So this is a brand new way to earn, something we did not have before the new plan went into effect in late October of 2025. And here's how customer premiums work. LifeWave rewards brand partners with an extra weekly bonus based on total customer volume, not brand partner volume, but customer volume from your retail and preferred customers. And this is within a rolling 31-day period. Now, here's the breakdown. If you have 300 to 599 customer qualifying volume points, you earn a 5% bonus on that volume number, not based off of the dollar amount that those customers paid for their products, but this is based off of the volume that was generated from those orders. Now, if you have 600 to 1,199 customer qualifying volume points in a 31-day period, you earn a 10% bonus on that volume number. And if you have 1,200 or more customer QV within 31 days, you earn a 20% bonus on that volume. The key idea here is simple, but very powerful. The more customers you serve, the higher your percentage bonus. Now, we've always had retail profits, and those are still there, but customer premiums are entirely new and different. And this is a brand new line item on our commissions that increases what we earn from customer volume once we meet the customer QV requirements. What I personally love about this is the shift in emphasis. It rewards customer-focused business building. It encourages us to serve, educate, and support customers, not just enroll brand partners. For many of us, this makes customer commissions more meaningful than ever before, and because it's based on a rolling 31-day window, it creates consistency rather than pressure. So in my opinion, customer premiums are one of the most exciting and sustainable changes in the LifeWave Compensation Plan 2.0, especially for people who truly enjoy working with customers and building long-term relationships. If you want to learn about all 9 ways that LifeWave brand partners earn commissions in 2026, I encourage you to watch my video on that too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.